All right, so for the very first time, man, I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and record this, throw it up on the channel. It might help somebody out, man. But we're going to be talking about how to install a dBrand grip on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. All right, now, this may not be the official way to do it, but this is the way I'm gonna do it. And I think I've seen dBrand kind of do these same instructions, so we're gonna do it the same way. Now, I'm not a professional skin installer, so hope this goes well for the camera. All right, so I got my heat gun. Yeah, I'm official. I might be an official installer, man, because I got my heat gun, so we're gonna be ready for this install. So we're gonna leave that heat gun right there and we're gonna come back to it. But let's go ahead and see what dBrand actually sent out to me, man. Shout out to dBrand for always looking out. But they gave us 3 skins. We got the teardown black camo, can't even talk right now, black camo, and we got the robot. You know, I love the robo skin, man. I love this one, but this time we can go a little bit different, and let's go ahead and go with the tear down skin. All right, let's do something a little bit different. We always go robot camo. Let's actually put this off camera so this won't be all distracted. All right, so first things first, actually, nope. Let's bring this back. This is gonna give me a good little base to set my phone down so we can actually use this as a base. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Now, the first thing that we're going to start off with is going to be the camera sticker. All right, so this is going to be the very first thing that you're going to want to start off with. And let's just go ahead and bring it in. You know what I mean? Let me go ahead and lean in. You might see my big head all in the camera, but let me go ahead and lean in, and I hope all the angles are kind of capturing this correctly. So you basically want to just line it up with the actual camera itself. So take your time setting this down. And one thing that I would probably do is line it up, especially with the flash, since that's probably going to be the one thing that's going to be up there and you know that it's going to be accurate. All right. So for me, I'm already looking like a pro, man. This thing went up there very, very good. So let's just go ahead and check the corners. Let's go ahead and check everything. Make sure everything is smoothed over. Everything looks good when it comes to this skin so far. All right. So that's basically going to be the camera skin. All right. Nice and simple. Nothing really to it. Very easy to install that camera skin. Just follow the lines, follow the guide, look at your flash hole, and everything definitely should be good when it comes to that. All right. But here comes that challenging part, man, the back skin. So wipe your phone down. You're going to give your phone a good little wipe down. And I hate to cover up this gray-green color, man, because it looks so good. But we're going to cover it up, man, because sometimes I got to have a little bit of something when it comes to my dBrand, all right? So taking this off, let's go ahead. And I think they stated on the instructions, because I looked at the instructions for the Z Fold 3, and I'm pretty sure they're similar to the Z Fold 4. So you want to go ahead and put half of the skin on the actual paper and leave the other half off. And we're going to work with aligning the top side of it first before we even tackle anything else. All right. So let's go ahead and lean in. And let's see if we can line it up. I am looking like a professional. Do you hear me, man? I am looking like a professional right now. This is dBrand. Hire me, yo, as a skin installer, man. So it went down smooth. So you basically want to put it half on. Went down very smooth. Look at my corners. Y'all gonna be critiquing my work. Look at my corners, man. The corners look very precise. It looks spot on. Now, on the instructions, it said to take this off, go halfway now, and line the bottom side up. All right. So we want to go ahead and line the bottom up. Since that's already lined up, the bottom should be lining up perfectly as well. So let's go ahead and try to get this aligned. All right. And the bottom is aligned. And then they said you can kind of pull this out. I don't know how. Yeah, see, this is the real deal right here. All right. This is the real deal stuff when it comes to installing the screen right here, installing a skin. So I'm going to do this. This is how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take it all off, period, because I don't want to get this messed up. So we're going to take that off. All right. I'm going to lift this up and try to slide this over to get it over the camera. All right. Everything seems to be around the camera just fine. Yep. So let's go ahead and put it down. All right. And then I like to, if you got like a little fingernail, just run your fingernail, go around your camera housing so you can kind of get everything down and everything is lined up. Perfect. Okay. Now I know somebody, dBrand's probably looking at this like you just didn't do that the correct way. But look, this is gonna be my way, man. I think it looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I think this right here looks fairly good in my opinion. All right. So just check me out. Look all around the edges. I mean, you know, it could be a little bit better around the camera ring, but that's the way I installed it. All right. Like this is what we working with, man. Check the edges down here. Check the edges. Nothing seems out of alignment and everything seems good. So now let me go ahead and grab the heat gun. I like to put a little bit of heat to it. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut mine on the lowest setting just to get it around these edges. The heat gun has to warm up a little bit. All right. And then let me get it around this camera. All right, boom. All right. All right, do an overall skin warm up, and that's gonna be it. Wipe it down. All right, there it is, man. There it is. Just trying to make sure all of those corners are rounded perfectly around that camera, and we are good. So here it is, man. This is going to be your dBrand grip with the tear down skin. All right, quick installation. Hopefully this may have helped you guys out there. Now I'm pretty sure dBrand is going to come out and hit you with the official video, and then my video will be irrelevant, man. But just to show you, for people out there, if you struggle putting these skins on, just take your time. I am not professional. I am terrible putting on skins. But you take your time, and yeah, this device was a little bit easy because when you're talking about a skin for a foldable, it's legit only one side. You can't do much. You can't really mess up much, all right? So go check it out, man. I'll be sure to leave some links down below if you want to check this out and if you want to go grab yourself up one, man. But you already know, man, if the video helped you or you just liked it, man, let me see those flexes. Y'all be safe. Catch you on the next one. Later.